Hello, this tutorial will go over how to use and why you should use the Find a Journal tool for your research. You might be wondering, what is a journal? Well, journal is a term used to describe a publication that's been issued on a regular basis and contains scholarly research. So, if your professor asks you to find scholarly or peer-reviewed articles, journals are definitely the place to look. You are able to use library databases to search across multiple journals all at once. But if you want to find a specific journal, magazine, or newspaper, the Find a Journal tool is what you'll need. To get started, you'll want to be on the library's homepage, which you can get to by typing hasellibrary.erau.edu into your computer search bar. Once you're on the library homepage, you're going to go ahead and select Find a Journal to the right-hand side of the main Eagle search bar. On this tab, you can see that you have two options. One search is used to find electronic journals under electronic magazines and journals and use Primo Journal Search. And the other is for print journals that we have physical copies of in the library. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the electronic journal search. Within the online journal search, you have the ability to search journals by title or ISSN, which is a unique identifier assigned to each journal. For example, let's search Political Science Quarterly. This results in all the journals containing Political Science Quarterly. Selecting the journal will direct you to links to access the online journal. For this journal, you can see it's available through Academic Search Ultimate, Hein Online, and more. You're going to want to make sure that you're logged in with your Eagle ID to get full access to the journal's resources. With the online journal search, you also have the ability to look at different areas of studies, such as architecture. And so this will pull up all the journals that include the word architecture in their titles. And as you can see, there's a list of 133 journals within this list. And once you find a journal that you like, there are a few ways to access it. And you are able to search inside this journal in the search bar to find results within the publication. For example, if I were to type in the word Baroque, this would show me all of the results that include the word Baroque from the Annals of the Architectural Association School of Architecture. Only from here can you click the Read Online for the entire article. But now let's go back to the previous page for a different way to browse and all. Once you're back to the main page of the journal, you're able to look under View Online and you can see what dates we have available for this specific journal. For this specific journal, you have the option of going to JSTOR's Archival Journals and Primary Sources collection from 1981 to present. This will take you to the Annals of the Architectural Association School of Architecture page through the database JSTOR. From here, you're able to explore the journal's content by looking at the latest issues or additional options and stay within all issues through the Search This Journal search bar. The Search in this Journal function on this page is almost identical to the search we did on the previous page, allowing you to use keywords across all issues. But if you go ahead and click on a specific volume or issue, such as number 81 from 2025, you'll access the list of full articles from this specific issue. From there, you can click on the article that you're interested in and get the full text along with clickable links. From here, you also have the option to view the article as a PDF or save it to your computer as well as printing. The Find a Journal tool is a much narrower search than using the library databases or Eagle Search because you're looking at a single publication. And if you have any questions, please make sure to contact us or reach out. A great way to reach out to us is by our homepage, and you can click the Ask Us button on the bottom right-hand corner. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you.